Hi, welcome to this episode. Here we're going to discuss the plan of the project. I would like to take you through the process of creating whatever project we are working on. So as you learn the various stages involved in building a complete project. And I'm assuming sometimes you will be working on the projects alone. So it is important that you know the various stages involved. Even if it happens that later on you join a team, so all these processes you've learned, all these habits you've learned, all these skills you've acquired through working on these projects alone could still be used and will be valuable for your team. So without any further ado, let's start. So this is a news website we want to work on. So a news website in general is also called a blog. So we call it news just to make it sound news, right? So it is a blog. It is important that we start thinking around what we want exactly. What do we intend to build here? So we have to go on and throw in ideas here and there, and through that we'll be able to find out what exactly we want. So right now in mine, I'm seeing that we have our website, and when people come on it, so let's have something like that. So whatever design we give it, so people come and they will kind of have articles, and then when they click on an article, they will see the details of the article. So let me make it better. So a paragraphs like this, so they'll see the details of the article. So assuming we have an image too here, so they read the article, and probably around that article we also have kind of related articles, so other articles people could also read. So this will help people to stay engaged with our website, because if they just read the article and they have to go back to the home page before they see another article, that would sound not cool in terms of user experience. So assuming the logo of our website is going to be somewhere here, so I'm kind of just throwing ideas. So basically, in terms of how the news website works, we just need these two things based in terms of the base functions, the basement of this whole project. We need these two things. So we have the home page here, so let me call it HP home page, and then this page is for the reading. So reading, or in general it is called a single page. So from now on we'll be calling the single page. So it means we'll need a single page, we'll need a home page. And so in addition to this basic function, it is also important to think of how do we get the news on the website. So it means we need to have an admin. So we need to have an admin to be able to introduce the news, to be able to insert the news on the website. So all this will also involve managing these admins. So the admins, or the admin, right? So either one or many. So it means in general we'll need to add, right? We need to add news. We'll add news, and we'll also add admins, right? We'll add admins. So it means too that we'll have yes, like I mentioned here, the admin dashboard. So I'll call this the admin dashboard. So admin dashboard, right? So we need the admin dash. So, and we need to manage the news, or rather call it manage. Let me simply name all this: manage the news and manage the admins. So this will involve creating them, updating them, deleting them. So we'll name it manage. I won't have enough space with this, so manage Great. So the same thing here, we'll manage the admins. So basically, these are the details we might need, and the admin might need to sign in or sign out. So sign in for the admin. Yes, so let's assume manage sign in and sign out, so we name it like that, but we know what we are talking about here: sign in and sign out, in and out. So in ladder in slash out, right? So in and out, we need to manage the in and out of the admin. So in general, that's the main thing we need for this project. So if I'm to summarize this whole thing right now, it means we need to have a home page. So for that, let me write it so that it will go faster. Home page. We need a home page. We need a single page so that we can read the news. We need to have an admin dashboard so that the admin can be able to manage the news from there. So because of the admin dashboard, it means we also need to have an account for an admin or the admins so that we can add, update, delete admins. So in general, we call that manage admins, but technically in terms of in the developer perspective, we call that CRUD. That's create, read, update and delete. So CRUD. So this term, we'll be using this term from now on to designate manage. So to say we create, we read, we update the individual or the element or the object. So we'll have to do CRUD for the post. So that's our articles. We'll also need to manage, or in bracket CRUD, the admins, so that we can be able to manage the admins. And we will need to also add a sign in or and out, sign in and out for the admins. So once they sign in, they should be able to sign out. So this will involve us to have these pages. So basically, that's what we need for our project. I think with that, this will give us a simple yet clean project, clean blog or clean news website. So in our next episode, we are going to think of the architecture, how we're going to design this, and how is it going to look like. So see you in the next episode.